I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Formidable Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action. Zoho Campaigns. Give here the data center name. My data center is zoho.com. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So, please visit the Zoho API console. Add client. Server-based applications. Give here a meaningful client name. Give here the homepage URL and redirect URIs. So copy it from here and paste it here. Create. Copy the client ID and the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Accept it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Zoho Campaigns site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Zoho Campaigns. Thanks for watching.